Good morning. In this class, I am going to explain general electronic configuration, valency electrons and oxidation states of first 30 elements based on their group number and their period numbers. In modern periodic table, we have 18 groups 1 to 18 and 7 periods, but first 30 elements falls under up to 4th period only. Okay, first differentiating electron is one, the electron which enters lastly into an element is known as differentiating electron. Based on the entry of this differentiating electron into subshell periodic table elements divided into 4 blocks of element, and those are S block, P block, D block and F block. Here I am not going to discuss about F block elements. First we see S block elements. This consists 1 and 2 group numbers. In case of F block, group number gives important information regarding valency electron and oxidation state. See here, group number 1, the number of valence electrons present in the elements of this group are 1, and oxidation, maximum positive oxidation state exhibited by these group elements is +1. Now we see general electronic configuration. So it is these elements having 1 valence electron. So the general electronic configuration of the first group elements are NS1. Okay. See here, for lithium atomic number is 3, 1s2, 2s1. So in this case N is equals to 2, so 2s1. In case sodium, N is equals to 3, ns1. For potassium, N is equals to 4, 4s1. Okay, now second group elements, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, valence electrons are 2 and general electronic configuration is ns2, and maximum positive oxidation state exhibited by these group elements are +2. And see here, beryllium electronic configuration atomic number is 4, 1s2, 2s2. Now we'll see the position of this hydrogen. Its electronic configuration is 1s1. So in valence shell 1 electron is present, so it has to be placed in first group. See here, 17th group elements, by taking 1 electron they will get 18th group electronic configuration. In the same way, hydrogen also takes 1 electron and it gets helium electronic configuration. So hydrogen may be also take the place of 17th group. Instead, keeping this hydrogen in first group or in 17th group, hydrogen is placed at the top of the periodic table. Now P block elements, 13th to 18th group comes under P block elements. In this case, group number -10 gives the valency electrons present in those group of elements. See, in case of 13 minus 10 is equals to 3. So these group elements have 3 valency electrons. Okay. In the same way, 14th have 4, 15th have 5, and 16th have 6, 17th have 7, and 18th have 8. So its general electronic configuration is equals to, see, boron atomic number is 5, electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. So the N is equal to here 2. So in this 3 electrons are present. So ns2, np1. For 13th to 18th group, NS2 is common. For 13th group it is NP1, NP2, NP3, NP4 and NP5, NP6. These are general electronic configuration. Now oxidation states from 13th to 17th group have oxidation, maximum positive oxidation states equals to their valency electrons. In case of 13th group, valency electrons are 3 and oxidation, maximum positive oxidation state is +3. Okay, from 13th to 17th have variable oxidation states and they follow a general rule. If the valency electrons are odd numbers, it exhibit odd oxidation states. If the valency electrons are even number, those group element exhibit even oxidation state. See here, 13th group have 3 valency electrons. It is odd number, so the maximum is +3. Apart from this +3, one more +1 oxidation state also exhibited by this 13th group element. See here, 4 is even number, maximum positive oxidation state is +4. Apart from this +4, one more oxidation state, that is +2, which is below the 4. In the same way, in this case +1, +3, +5. In this case +2, +4, +6 and -2. Oxygen exhibit -2 oxidation state. In this case +7, +5, +3, +1 and fluorine and chlorine mostly exhibit -1 oxidation states. Okay. Now D block elements, group number 3 to 12 forms D block elements. In this, differentiating electron enters into D subshell. First we see the electronic configuration of scandium. Scandium atomic number is 21. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2. See here 4s2 and 3d1. 4 is the valency shell, but the differentiating electron is entering into n-1 d. So here n is 4, 4 minus 1 equals to 3, 3d. See, from 3 to 12 have ns2 common electronic configuration, ns2 and n-1d. For 3 it is n-1d, d1. For 4 it is d2, d3, d4. Regarding the valency electrons, from 3 to 12 all have 2 valency electrons. See here 4s2, all are having 2 valence electrons except chromium and copper. Due to stability of half-filled d orbitals, one s electron goes into 3d, so it has only one valence electron. Due to stability of full-filled d orbitals, one electron from s goes to 3d. Okay. Regarding the oxidation states, from manganese to zinc, all show +2 common oxidation state. Copper, apart from this +2, it also exhibits +1. See, it is having only one valence electron, so it shows +1 oxidation state. Chromium exhibit +3 and +6 oxidation states. Manganese exhibit +2, +4, +7. Ferrous exhibit +2 and +3. Okay. With this, I am concluding this class. Last thing, if we remember this element as per their group number, we can easily assign their oxidation states and valency electrons. Okay. With this, I am concluding this class.